No, is it a little further? Okay, right here, stop. Viper 7, this is Viper 6, we're in position, over. Yeah. Sergeant Young. Okay, get ready to blaze that spotlight.
Return fire! Return fire!
Oh shit.
Blaze it!
Viper 5, this is Viper 6. Go ahead and move into position.
Keep fighting, keep fighting! Let him calm, let him shoot their stuff. We got a guy moving in right there. Is that ours? Right. Alright, let's stop. 30 meters to the left. Roger. 30 meters to the left. Okay, go on. Ooh, I heard that one good. Yeah. Viper 5 needs the assault compound.
Viper 5, this is Viper 6, how copy? Viper 5, this is Viper 6, how copy? This is Viper 5, over. Move in on the compound, we'll move in from the east, over. Yeah, over.
You got friendlies inbound?
Roger that. They're heading in from the west.
Okay, they're moving in.
There, dude.
You ready to come like...
Oh shit! Whoa!
Stop the building.
Take out that rifleman right there. I got him slaced.
I see regular fish.
You got him, you got him.
On top of the building. He's hit. He's out.
I think
Viper 6 to Viper 5, what's your situation, over? Viper 5, this is Viper 6, how copy? Is it Viper 5?
they're moving in. They're moving.
Right now? Over. Roger that, let us know when it's clear and we'll move in to help, over. I got movement, those are our guys.
Roger that, Colonel.
Roger.
Is that it? Index?
Viper 5, this is Viper 6, how copy? Viper 5, this is Viper 6, how copy? This is Viper 5, over. What is your sit rep? Clear, clear.
Call index.
Roger that, call index on your go. Index!
Good game.
Good game.